Okay. Hello and welcome guys to Sonic the Hedgehog, and today we're going to talk about a big electronics bullshit. Is the nuclear diamond battery. And NDB or nano diamond battery is an innovative energy generator and storage that redefines and revolutionizes the battery as we know it. Revolutionizes. Alright, so if we go to pictures here, see this? We'll open it up in here. So 100 microwatts beta voltaic. And they are saying revolutionizes the battery as we know it. Are they fucking kidding me? 100 microwatts. For example, a classic lithium-ion 18650 cell stores up to, I think, 15 watt hours. So, I think 150 watts. 100 microwatts. Do you know what's micro? That's if you divide 1 by 100. If you divide 1 watt by basically if you divide 1 watt by 100, you will get a microwatt. This is how much this is. 100 microwatts equals 1 watt. And they are saying it revolutionizes this technology. And this image is like, it isn't even real. It's like just a photo of a ceramic base, 16-pin dip IC, that they are just Photoshop their own text onto. So, its long-lasting properties and longevity are ensured by covering the radioactive decay energy from the nuclear waste into energy. Now, converting the radioactive decay energy from nuclear waste into energy is a good thing. That's actually good to get rid of the actual nuclear waste. But the problem is that 100 microwatts, take for example a standard wireless mouse, there's no way that it's gonna power it for a millisecond. And if you take a standard LED, which draws about, let's say 1 milliamp, that will draw the battery, if I'm saying it right, if I'm counting right, I'm just doing this in my head, I'm not using a calculator. It will literally suck the whole battery out in microseconds. I mean, this is just bullshit. NDB is tiny, modular, cost-effective, and scalable from chipset to industrial applications. Now, another thing. Do you know how expensive is nuclear waste? It's one of the most expensive materials in the world. And not even talking about diamonds, even technical diamonds, like man-made ones, like not the real ones, not the natural ones, but basically man-made. Like, they are still expensive. Let's have a look at some news. Get the fuck up, man. Stupid advertisements. This company claims its nuclear diamond battery will run for 28,000 years. Is it true or just a hoax? I would say it's a hoax. 28,000 years. Do you know how much that is? 28,000 years. Like, first thing that will fail is the electronic device that this battery is in. Like, this actually straight screams that it's bullshit. Now, why? Normal electronic devices last from 3 to 5 years normally in like this spec. Some will fail even after 2 months or maybe 1 month, or if you get some cheap low-cost Chinese piece of shit, or crap should I say, you will get like just a week like lifetime. And 28,000 years, like a normal human lives up to about 80 to 90 years, 95 or 100. Like, the device is just going to fail and get thrown out before the battery even runs out. And like, I want to see really those like Asacol here in Czech Republic, Asacol, Electrowin, and all that. These companies, I want to see them just taking apart those mobile phones or insulin pumps or infusion pumps and all this junk and pressure meter and pressure gauges and all that. Like, I mean blood pressure meters. I want to see them taking it apart and scavenging the batteries. Yes. And why would a battery, and this is another piece of junk, this is just a standard quad flat pack chip with no brandings but an NDB branding stuck on there. And the funny thing is that why would a battery, which only needs two terminals, like battery needs only two terminals, plus and minus, and if it includes some sort of control circuit, it would basically, like, a battery doesn't need like hundreds of control legs. So, in less than 2 years, you might be able to buy a smartwatch powered by a nuclear diamond battery that will outlive you and your progeny for generators. Bullshit. For generations. Bullshit. I really want to see, because when the smartwatch breaks, you're gonna just throw it out. There's no way you're gonna going to repair 1 millimeter big SMD parts. There's no way you're gonna going to repair that. And I really want to see those electronics e-waste recycling companies taking apart e-waste and scavenging batteries from it. Yep. The potentially game-changing technology comes from San Francisco-based startup Nano Diamond Battery, or NDB for short, which lauds its namesake high-powered diamond-based alpha, beta, and neutron voltaic battery. 100 microwatts is high power. Do you know what draws 100 microwatts? Nothing. 100 microwatts draws a mobile phone when not powered. Consider putting this into a mobile phone. The mobile phone would die in milliseconds. For its ability to give devices lifelong and green energy. Yes, that's a good claim, because, like, not that it's bullshit, but not that it's good in its truth, but it's good in a way that it's actually like a good thing to actually, like, talk, like, it actually reuse the nuclear waste, because nuclear waste is toxic, remember. It's something like Chernobyl. So yeah, that's a good claim, but it's bullshit. Imagine, just one battery could power your insulin pump or pacemaker for your entire life, with loads of time to spare. Now, this is kind of a bullshit claim, because your insulin pump or pacemaker. Do you know what's the thing? These electronic devices will die. You'll have, like, at least 5 of these devices when you're in your life. You have to replace them. There's no way a 80-year or 90 or even 100-year-old senior will repair a device that contains SMD parts which have a size up to maximum 3 millimeters. Yep. That's bullshit. Or it could provide the juice for a space rover. Oh my god. 100 microwatts for a space rover? Now, I'm not talking about this. I'm not, like, talking about on this one. This is their highest power model, they claim. Like, seriously, 100 microwatts? Like, the motors in there could draw around nanowatts. There's just nanowatts, like, that doesn't draw any devices in the world at all. Collecting Mars regolith samples or decay for decades without any human assistance. Yep. This space rover would probably get fucked up in the weather that's on Mars pretty quick, and there will be no way that it's going to survive without human servicing. Those are ambitious goals, so could NDB's bold claims actually become reality? Oh, it's a hoax. It's a hoax, it's bullshit. I obviously told you that, it's bullshit. So, what is a nuclear diamond battery? To build its nano diamond battery, NDB uses layers of impossibly tiny paneled nano diamonds. Yeah, nano diamonds are cheap. Yeah, they're one of the cheapest. For contact, if you have real nano diamonds, they are insanely expensive. Anyways, for context, 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. I know that. Diamonds have exceptional heat conductance, which makes them ideal for electronic devices. In fact, they are the best known natural conductor of heat according to publication by University of Houston's College of Engineering. And they are 3 to 4 times more effective than copper or silver. Yes, but they are expensive as fuck. Scientists cultivate... Can I actually say something? Sorry for me being rude as heck, but I'm tired and I have to get this from my concept list out. So, scientists cultivate these miniature diamonds using chemical vapor deposition, a process in which gases and at extremely high temperature force carbon to crystallize on a substance material. By the way, diamonds are carbon. I don't get this. It's too complex. No, I don't want to buy a dress. That process, NDB admits, creates a cost bottleneck, making the special diamonds is energy intensive and expensive. Yep, diamonds are expensive. Oh my god, there's so much junk to talk about. Where did we end? Here. After all, they are artificially boron-doped diamonds, explains Yuri Gogotsi, director of the A.J. Drexel Nanomaterials Institute at Drexel University in Philadelphia. Gogotsi has no official affiliation with NDB. That's good to say. Basically, he's a promotion agent. That process produces diamonds with blue color and higher conductivity than average diamond. True blue diamonds are naturally occurring on the earth, but they are rarer and even more expensive than artificial blue diamonds. Yes, but we are not here to talk about fucking diamonds, man. We're here to talk about the NDB. Fuck up. I'm not talking about fucking artificial diamonds. I want to talk about the NDB. Nano Diamond Battery. So, Nano Diamond Battery, NDB launches crowdfunding offering to revolutionize the energy industry. Oh my god. Yeah, that's their new logo. And then again, it's just photoshopped. That's laughable. NDBing, a cutting-edge power company, is proud to announce their launch of crowdfunding offering to bring its innovative nano diamond battery, or NDB for short, technology to customers across the world. Crowdfunding offerings under regulation CF that can raise up to $5 million US. Yeah, if it was actually true. NDB's nano diamond batteries offer a number of advantages over traditional lithium-ion batteries, including a longer lifespan, higher energy density. Higher energy density? 100 microwatts. Higher energy density. Are we fucking kidding me? That's bullshit. And safer operation. Of course it's safer with nuclear waste. For example, in headphones right next to your ear. That's laughable. Okay. And also, have you actually known that if you mix diamonds with, for example, plutonium, they will explode? Yeah, that's another bullshit. That's like another bold claim that they're talking about here. That safer operation. Nuclear waste and diamonds are one of the most dangerous chemical substances in the world. The company's innovative approach to energy generation is based on the use of one of those hardest known transducer materials to harvest energy. This makes the batteries not only more durable but also more environmentally friendly than traditional lithium-ion batteries, which can pose a high risk of to the environment and human health if not properly disposed of. Yes, lithium-ion batteries are dangerous because, lithium-ion, it's basically an explosive mixture, but nuclear waste and diamonds, that's even more dangerous. I know that nuclear waste and carbon reacts, and if they carbonize the diamonds, as we talked about previously, I wouldn't be surprised if it would explode. The company's crowdfunding offering represents an opportunity for individuals and organizations to get on the ground floor of technology that has been potential to change the way that we generate and use energy. Bullshit. Bullshit! By investing in NDB, supporters will not only be helping to bring this technology to the market, but will also be investing in a better, more sustainable energy life, as well as probably stealing money from innocent people to a bullshit claim that never will be real, possibly in the year 10,123. We are thrilled to be launching... What? Let me play. We are thrilled to be launching this crowdfunding offering and bringing our NDB to the masses, said Dr. Nima Golshafiri, CEO of NDB. Our technology has been the potential to change industry and make it more sustainable and efficient. We believe that our technology will be a game changer in the energy industry, and we are excited to bring this market to the support of our investors. Bullshit! You have to see the number 100 microwatts, and you will understand that this is bullshit. All you need is these claims. All you need is to say all you need is the value 100 microwatts. Well, basically, All you need to know is the value 100 microwatts, and you can debunk all these claims here. Literally, all the claims. NDB has already received significant interest from a variety of industries, including electric vehicles, renewable energy systems, and defense applications, among others. Bullshit. Have you actually thought about driving a EV or electric vehicle, which will die after a 1 micrometer of movement or millimeter of movement, or thought of a jet fighter navigation system being powered by 100 microwatts? I can tell you, by a 100 microwatt beta will take an NDB. I can straight tell you that basically the jet fighter will die. And you know of that claim that they said on this website that it's a safer operation? You see right here, if I zoom in a bit more, see this thing right here? Radioactive. And they say safer operation. The funny thing is that when you say that something is radioactive, you can't just say that it's safe. Yep. Stupid bold claims. Where did we end? I lost it. Oh shit. Let me find it again. Where do we end? The company is poised to make a significant impact in these markets and beyond, and the crowdfunding offering represents a unique opportunity for individuals and organizations to get involved in this exciting technology. Not exciting bullshit, exciting technology, or a technology which I would call bullshit embedded technology. To learn more about NDB's crowdfunding offering, visit ndb.bullshit. Oh, sorry, ndb.technology. I would edit that to ndb.bullshit. Yep. Self-charging battery. There's no way that's gonna happen. That's totally impossible. That's totally impossible. There's no way a battery is going to charge itself among having a freaking solar panel glued to the top and soldered to the power links. I don't know where the power links are in this piece of crap. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something, and yep, and hope you stop trusting this bullshit. I'll see you guys in the next one.